Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and I'm making a video to go over the sales we have for the month of August. If you've been thinking about updating that old antiquated radio in your Harley Davidson to the latest technology, we've got you covered with our Soundstream Reserve radio sale. We have the HDHU.14Si for your 2014 to 2023 models, and the HDHU.9813RGs and SGs for those older road glides and street glides. These radios are completely plug and play. They're going to fit your factory fairing, and they're IPX Marine rated. They're going to add things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but they're going to sound so much better because they have an amazing EQ and great control over your sound. Right now, we're also going to give you a free wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto adapter as part of that awesome $200 off sale. All right, so we also have two awesome deals going on two Precision Power 4-speaker kits that we're offering for the month of August. They're both $350 off, and when you put that with your radio savings, that's over $550 off on a new system for your Harley. So now is the time to look into it. Both of these systems are going to have 4 speakers. They're going to have your 6.5-inch speakers to go in your upper fairing and 6x9s to go in your lids, as well as the cutting kits necessary to mount them to your stock lids, and a full plug-and-play amplifier. That amplifier is an 800-watt amp, and then with these 2-ohm speakers, it's sending 150 continuous watts to each speaker, all 4 of them. That's plenty of power to make it where you can hear it over the engine and the wind at those highway speeds, which I know is what you want. Also, if you pick the HT speakers, these are an awesome speaker. They've got a horn-loaded, actually it's a radiator ring tweeter in them, so you have great clarity, they handle a ton of power, and they're very, very loud. But you're going to get a new part. This is new to us. It's a kit that allows you to put these hydrophobic bushings in the bottom of your bag to get even more bass response. Everybody wants bass, and you don't want to lose a lot of space. This is the way. So these are basically ports. They let the sound out, and they won't let water in. That's going to be included in the kit with the HT speakers. The MAS speakers are going to be the lower cost kit, but let me tell you, they're an amazing speaker, and the 6x9 has technology that's not in any other speaker. They move the magnet to the front, so as the wind is blowing over your bag, it's cooling the hottest part of the speaker. So they're going to last much longer, but at the same time, that speaker is extremely shallow, and you have a lot of room still yet left in your bag. These are two awesome packages. They're available at volunteeraudio.com. Go there now, click on the homepage, check out the 2 speaker kits we have offered, as well as the radios, and if you need help picking out the right package, give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Our sales team would love to talk to you about your bike, your budget, and your build. We'll help you put together the right package the first time. On top of that, we have great tech support and the best step-by-step install videos, so you can put this in yourself and save a ton of money. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.